Alright, this is just a little video to show my shop, Woodchuck Woodworking. Just coming into the shop here. Just going to pan around real quick. I just put that 100 amp service in. Small drill press, even smaller bandsaw there. My assembly table, working on a little semi, and just some my little heater. The electric heater I just put in. Some of my wood stock, cut off saw. My desk, I guess you call it. Some plans for the semi. There's my baby DeWalt. Love that saw. Little grizzly lathe. Pretty nice little tool.